In this video, you'll learn how to change your hosting IP address using your Cloudflare dashboard. This is a useful skill whenever you move your website to a new hosting provider, change servers, or are given a new IP address by your host. Updating it in Cloudflare ensures that visitors are sent to the correct server when they type in your domain name. First, open your browser and log into your Cloudflare account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which shows a list of all the domains you've added to Cloudflare. Take a moment to find the domain you want to update. If you have a lot of domains, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. When you see the correct domain, click on it to open its settings. After you've opened the domain, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see several options for managing your site. Click on DNS, then make sure you're on the records section. This is where Cloudflare stores all the DNS records that tell the internet how to find your website and related services. On the DNS records page, you'll see a table listing different record types like A, CNAME, and others. For this task, you're interested in the records with the type set to A. An A record holds the IPv4 address for your domain, which is the numeric address of your server. Usually, you'll see at least two important A records. One for your root domain, which looks like yourdomain.com, and one for the www version, which looks like www.yourdomain.com. Take a moment to identify these A records carefully. The name column will tell you if it's the root domain, often shown as the domain itself or with an icon, and the www version will be clearly labeled as www. If your hosting provider has given you a single new IP address, and both of these A records currently point to your old IP, you'll want to update each one so they both use the new IP. On the right-hand side of each A record, you'll see an edit option. Click Edit for the A record you want to change. This will open up a small panel or row where you can modify the details of that record. Look for the field labeled Content. This is where the current IPv4 address is stored. Carefully select the old IP address in the Content field and replace it with the new hosting IP address provided by your hosting company. It's important to type this in accurately, including all four number groups separated by dots. A single wrong digit can cause your site to stop loading properly, so double check the number against the details from your host. Once you've entered the new IP address, click Save to apply the change. Cloudflare will update that DNS record with your new hosting IP. If you have multiple A records that need updating, repeat the same process for each one. Click Edit, change the content field to the new IP, and then click Save. After saving your changes, DNS updates can take a little time to propagate across the internet, although Cloudflare is usually quite fast. Within a short period, visitors to your domain should start being directed to your new hosting server. And that's all you need to do to change your hosting IP from Cloudflare using your Cloudflare dashboard.